NFL football teaches courage, commitment, and teamwork. These same values are what we need to accomplish in goals where the stakes couldn't be higher, like developing new treatments for Alzheimer's disease. I'm Solomon Wilcots, NFL broadcaster and former defensive back for the Cincinnati Bengals, and I'm proud to be partnering with the Mindset Clinical Research Program and other retired NFL players on a new campaign to huddle up for new Alzheimer's treatments.
Well, let me tell you about the Mindset study. It's a very exciting study that we are running. It's the final study that we need to run for a new drug called RVT-101.
Drugs like RVT-101 offer the hope that we can keep patients functioning at a higher level longer so they can enjoy more time with their families and avoid placement in nursing facilities.
RVT-101 is a drug that we're developing as an oral pill, and we hope that it will be available to be used in combination with one of the standard drugs that many patients with Alzheimer's are currently on, which is called donepezil.
No new treatments for Alzheimer's disease have been approved for at least a decade, and doctors are scrambling for ways to help their patients more.
One of the rate-limiting steps in our bringing these new medicines quickly to the FDA really is the time it takes for us to complete these clinical trials. And in order to complete the clinical trials, we need volunteers. We need the Alzheimer's community to work with us and join us in, for example, the Mindset study.
Getting involved in clinical trials allows us to advance medical knowledge. It also can benefit patients.
We also encourage people to ask a lot of questions, to make sure that they are fully engaged and are participants in their health care. That way they can make sure that they are empowered to be able to be active participants in clinical research. The only way that we're going to know that research is working for everyone is if everyone participates.
Join me and other former NFL players by participating in a memory screening so that you know what's going on with your body.
People who are suffering from memory loss may be fearful to actually discuss this with their physician or family members. Seeing that an NFL member can be a role model and go and get screened for their memory loss, I think it may help others to actually seek out treatment, or at least seek out treatment options, whether it would be going to their physician and being diagnosed potentially with Alzheimer's disease, or checking out the opportunities in terms of participating in a clinical trial.
Athletes have always been out there simply because they want to get back into the game. And that's what we want to do right now when it comes to lending our name and ourselves for the advancement of studying Alzheimer's.